What's the meaning of Annie Oakley? Annie Oakley. Annie Oakley. Annie Oakley. Annie Oakley. Annie Oakley.
Annie Oakley was an American sharpshooter and exhibition shooter who rose to fame in the late 19th century. She is known for her incredible shooting skills, which she demonstrated in various Wild West shows across the United States and Europe. Annie Oakley became a cultural icon and a symbol of female independence, paving the way for other women seeking to break into traditionally male-dominated fields. Today, she is remembered as one of the greatest markswomen in history, and her legacy continues to inspire people around the world.